In this video, I'll show you how to add a store to your website. To follow along, sign up at WebStarts.com. Click the Get Started button and select a template. All templates are customizable. Enter your name, email address, and choose a password. Choose a web address or click Choose Later to skip. Click the Store panel on the dashboard. You can see the store pages are added to your website menu. Click the Products tab to create your first product. Enter a title and description, upload an image, and set a price. Click Create Product, and you'll see your product is visible on your store. Click the Setting tab to upload a logo and give your store a name. Select and configure your payment processor. Click Update to apply the changes. Click the Shipping tab to set up your shipping rules. Select your shipping methods and how shipping cost is calculated. Return to the dashboard and click Edit Site to further customize your store. Select the store page from the editor. Select the store widget and click the Settings cog. Select the number of products to display on the store page by rows and columns. Select the aspect ratio that best displays your products. Choose whether to display categories, the search field, and sorting options. Select the product page from in the editors to see. Once again, select the widget and click the Settings cog to display options. Select the options you want to display. Select Sidebar if you want people to stay on the page when adding an item to their cart. Select the cart page in the page editor. Select the cart widget and choose the options you want to display. Click View and check Store Bar to display the store bar on a page. The store bar provides quick links for shoppers to log in, view their cart, and check out. Shoppers can choose to save their shipping and billing information for faster checkouts. That's it for this video. Don't forget to tap the subscribe button to see more helpful videos like this, and thanks for watching.